Hi there, and welcome to our video on how to plant and grow an avocado seed. Avocado is a nutritious fruit that is not only delicious but also very healthy. In this video, we will show you how to grow your own avocado plant from a seed and share with you some of the benefits of having an avocado plant at home. The first step is growing an avocado plant is to remove the seed from the fruit. To do this, cut the avocado in half, twist it gently, and remove the seed with a spoon. Be careful not to damage the seed as it is very delicate. Next, clean the seed by removing any remaining fruit flesh or skin. You can use a soft bristled brush or a cloth to do this. Make sure the seed is completely clean before moving to the next step. To prepare the seed for planting, insert three toothpicks into the seed, evenly spaced apart. The toothpicks will help to suspend the seed in water. Suspend the seed in a glass or jar of water with the pointed end facing up. The water should cover about an inch of the seed. Place the glass or jar in a warm, sunny spot in your home. After a few weeks, you should see roots begin to sprout from the bottom of the seed, followed by a stem and leaves from the top. Be patient as this can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. Once the stem has grown to about 6 inches, it's time to plant the seed in soil. Fill a pot with nutrient rich soil and make a small hole in the center. Gently place the seed in the hole with the top of the seed just above the soil level. Water the soil thoroughly and place the pot in a sunny location. Now, benefits of growing an avocado plant. Fresh avocados on demand. Having your own avocado plant means you can harvest fresh avocado anytime you want. Air purification. Avocado plants are neutral air purifiers, making your home healthier and more pleasant to be in. Aesthetics. Avocado plants are beautiful and add a touch of green to any room. Cost effective. Growing your own avocado plant is much cheaper than buying avocados from the store. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to growing your own avocado plant from a seed. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Happy planting and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.